Don't screw it up.
Thank you, Lieutenant.
It's 6 p.m. something, December 9th, 2023, Saturday.
I'll do that.
Ain't two buddies now?
Seems like okay, dude.
I think you should go back to Chicago.
Some kind of strange mystery sound.
Plug on that baby. Just saying.
Lieutenant Benson, it's so nice to meet you. Sonny thinks the world of you.
Well, the feeling's mutual.
Well, I guess so. Getting involved with this, you must be so busy.
Well, I just hope I can help your daughter. So, Mia, can I talk to you alone?
It happened 3 months ago, isn't it? Too late for this?
No, it's not. Just tell Lieutenant Benson. Show us whatever you can remember.
Okay. I didn't know Ethan that well. He was more friends with my roommate, Renata.
Uh-huh.
But I invited him to my room.
That's okay. That's okay, Emma.
Yeah, that's fine.
So, Mia, why don't you tell me what you do remember, okay? Just tell me what happened.
Well, we sat on my bed. We kissed a few times. And then he just sat on top of me.
Oh, okay.
I could feel him. He was, ready.
And you weren't.
No.
6:11 p.m.
It happened so fast. He put his tongue in my mouth. I was choking. I pushed him away, but before I knew what was happening, he was inside me.
Okay. So, Mia, did you actually say no?
I think so. I definitely said wait, and I pushed him off me. And then he got all mad.
It's vibrating, whatever it is. It does it in day and it does it at night.
Well, if you didn't consent.
It's either someone digging tunnels underneath, or there's a Fangold stealth aircraft flying in cloaks in day or night, and it's got a new pulsating sound that'll vibrate the whole house and vibrate your body. No, I'm alright.
We just want to hear Ethan's side. He told the school they didn't listen. They suspended him. He had to this dorm room. He's banned from campus. He can't even
It
go to
just
class.
makes a vibrating sound.
We have to let you know this is now an open police investigation. We'll be calling a lawyer this time.
This is crazy. I didn't even want to hook up with
And
you.
that sound
I
pops
only
up a
went to her
lot.
because I thought Renata would be there.
And it doesn't mean that because there's a train there, because there's lots of times when there's not a train, and still that very strange vibrating hum sound, day or night or noon.
So what do you expect them to say?
So it's a mystery sound. And if you look up on YouTube and Google and Facebook videos, people are saying, what is that sound? And on top of that, this one guy says, you know, I hear a train, but there's no train track even nearby us.